Hi students, today I am discussing about the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. This is one of the very important reaction. This is a Neyman reaction. This is very important for the board level also and competitive exam level also. The most important reaction. All Neyman reactions are very important. First I will write what is the reaction. Phenol react with the chloroform and in presence of base, for example, I want to take the NaOH aqueous, then it gives the major product I am writing here at ortho position, aldehyde group will be attached and it form NaCl along with the water molecule. Balance it, 3 chlorines are there, then 3. Next, 3 sodiums are there, then 3 sodiums. I think everything balanced. Then here H2O. Here one hydrogen because ortho position is substituted with the aldehyde group. One hydrogen, two hydrogen, and here three hydrogen. Total 5 hydrogen. So here one hydrogen already is there. Then we can write here 2. 2 into 2, 4, and everything balanced. Now, what is the mechanism of this reaction? So mechanism is very important. And along with this para product also form that we have to remember. But this is a minor product at para position aldehyde group. This is a major and this is a minor part. That's why in books this will be not appear. Reason it is a very minor product. So now here chloroform is there H, Cl, 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 and here it is a base form because NaOH it is Na plus OH minus form. This OH minus will take this proton and this will be converted into minus. Then we will get here negative charge and here 3 chlorines as it is along with this water molecule. Now this carbon ion again it which leaves one Cl minus and gives already lone pair is there. Due to this leave of this Cl minus, it gives a negative charge. This is a positive charge, negative, positive, neutral. That's why no charge. But we can write here Cl, Cl. It indicating here it having one vacant orbital. And this pair of electron it can be represented like this also. Cl, Cl, and having like this. This is a pair of electron. This is called dichlorocarbene. This dichlorocarbene is here in the form of singlet carbene. This singlet carbene, sometime in competitive exam they may ask. In the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, one of the intermediate form, that intermediate is singlet carbene or that is triplet carbene or both or none. Like this question also they may ask, there is a singlet carbene. Singlet carbene means like this for a Cl and carbon and LCl, and we have here vacant orbitals like this. Then both electrons are present in the same orbital. So that is called singlet carbene. Triplet carbene means one of the electron present in the another orbital. This is triplet. Triplet is more stable than the singlet. So now here this is a unstable and it is neutral also. This is a neutral intermediate. Generally we know the intermediate is a carbocation, carbon ion. They are positive or negatively charged, and free radical also, that is also neutral without charge. This is a neutral and it having the 6 electron. That's what it is called sextet, not octet, incomplete octet here. Observe here one bond, second bond, and this 2 electron. Total 1 bond and 2 electron, and here 2 electron, 4, and this 2 electron. Total 6 electron, sextet. And this is a weak electrophile. It means here electron deficient. This is, that's what it is called. Act as a nucleophile or electrophile. That means it is electrophile type. It means electron deficient. This is. But which type of electrophile this is? Weak electrophile. Very important. How it is weak electrophile, they may ask here question. Again they may create one of the question. This is dichlorocarbon is weak electrophile due to one resonance stabilizer or due to uh, hyperconjugation or something. They may give the option. Actually, this resonance stabilizer because this pair of electron at the chlorine it is delocalized and it somewhat stabilized to this vacant orbital, then that's why it is a weak electrophile. Now the question is how this mechanism takes place. Now we know this is a phenol. This phenol part react with this base NaOH because phenol is somewhat acidic nature. Then we will get here this is a phenoxide ion and here H and OH minus H2O will be eliminated and this is the Na plus part. Now the question, this is a negative charge, this is an electrophile, then this negative charge may attack to this electrophile, like this possibility also is there, but phenoxide ion nucleophile character is weak than when this delocalized part. Reason I will tell why it is weak. Reason here, water molecule is aqueous, this aqueous solution is there, that's why it is somewhat what you call hydrogen bonded, and this due to hydrogen bond formation of this negative charge of oxygen, lone pair it means not easily donate to the any electrophile, that's why negatively charged of phenoxide is weak nucleophile character. This is the reason. Otherwise, because student may ask like this also, why this negative charge not attached to this electrophile? But that is the reason, stabilizer form. Then here this negative charge, carbon, at this carbon we have the negative charge. So this is more nucleophile character than the when negative charge present on the oxygen. So now this vacant orbital of this dichlorocarbon will get lone pair from this negative charge of nucleophile. Now it is weak, this is strong. Strong nucleophile character, this is weak electrophile character. Then only this reaction takes place very well. Now we will get here O double bond O. Next here every carbon we have the one hydrogen in the benzene part, and here this is a CCl2. Now this will be here already we have the 3 bond. When 3 bond it having the one negative charge is there. Then here it is negative charge. This negative charge takes this proton and it will becomes to here. This will be negatively charged. Now if you observe, this is double bond O minus and CHCl. This one is react with the 2 moles of OH minus. These Cl's are substitute with the OH minus. Then I will get here this is O minus and CH, OH and OH. Actually not that much, simply this OH is replace the Cl. Again if you write this complete mechanism is nearly 4 steps it will undergo, but simply we can Cl is replaced by the aqueous OH. We know that when we are using aqueous, then that Levy group is substituted with the OH. If it is alcoholic, it undergo elimination reaction. That also we are well known. But on same carbon, more than one hydroxy group is unstable. That's why water molecule eliminated form. Then we will get here. This is O minus and CHO. Now later the last step we can add some amount of acid to stop the further reaction of this further reaction. Therefore we will get here OH and here CHO, and here it having, if I write complete, this is C double bond OH and this hydrogen and this O hydrogen bonded more stabilizer. It can form a para position also. When it form para position, I will show here resonance structures. If double bond O here and this negative charge comes to here and this will be comes to here, then here negative charge double bond. This will be added to the dichlorocarbon, that will form. So therefore we will get para position also. Then we will get the para product. Then you may ask the question, how to separate out these ortho hydroxybenzolidate and para hydroxybenzolidate based on their, here it is intramolecular hydrogen bond, this is intramolecular, this intramolecular, this intermolecular hydrogen bond, their boiling points are different. Then we can fractional distillation we can do, then we will separate these two isomers. Now the question, what type of question they may ask? Phenol react with this one. Now the question, if I write here benzene only, then this will be form or not, we have to answer. Because now when OH is there, orthohydroxybenzolidate form. When benzene is there, this type of product form or not, that you have to answer. Now I wrote this product, but question is, like this product possible or not, we have to answer. One more question is, here OH and here NO2 group, then here OH and NO2 group, like this product also possible or not, we have to answer. These are the very important question for competitive exam. Now one more is, here OH, not over here OH, meta position. Then how many products are possible? I will write here consider. Now the question is, OH, here methyl group with this CHCl3 and NaOH. What is the product form? You have to write. Next, OH, already I am writing here aldehyde group, same reactant. What is the product form? You have to write. Next, now the question is, here if I write like this, how many product form? Number of products. And one more thing, OH and OH, here also number of products, how many form, that we have to write. And the next one question is, if here OH and OCH3 is, then how many number of products possible, we have to answer. In total in this reaction, the main part is the formed intermediate is which one? That is called dichlorocarbon, and that is, they may ask the singlet or triplet. Another one, how many electron it having, and it may be asked that it is neutral or charged, it is neutral, and they may give the mechanism also. Otherwise, in this mechanism, one of the intermediate, this is a form, then it is aromatic or non-aromatic, like this also asked, and this one is what you call non-aromatic, this is aromatic. Like this question also they may ask in the competitive exam. So carefully each and every word you have to clearly read, and you will get the good marks. The very important part for many exams they ask is, what is the intermediate. Thank you very much.